How to get rid of who updates are available message in Windows 10. Today I got the following message. Computer was frozen and the only button available was a get updates. I don't need this feature, I need to work, not serve my machine the time she wants. Currently I did cold reboot and had time to open Task Manager and Process Explorer on different screens before the message appears again. Due to the bug in the application, I was able to kill mustNotification.exe process. Unfortunately, I am unable to restrict system access to mustNotification.exe and mustNotificationx.exe files or add them to antivirus blacklist. How to ban this feature?
Unfortunately, I am unable to restrict system access to mustNotification.exe and mustNotificationx.exe files. From my observations, restrict system access to mustNotification.exe and mustNotificationx.exe files is an effective method of blocking that message, if you have administrator privilege. Paste these lines to elevated CMD to deny everyone from executing the two files. I have managed to create a Hyper-V virtual machine that can test this feature. Clean install Windows 10 Enterprise LTSB. In Pedit.Master of Science, change Windows Update to Notify Download. Check for updates, but reboot when it begins to download. Run Usoplian StartScan, and wait for the CPU usage to drop to normal. Save a virtual machine checkpoint. Now, changing the system date to 1 month later, will 100% immediately trigger the updates are available message. However, if I restore the checkpoint and paste the commands above, changing the date will do nothing special. Edit. To undo the changes, run the following commands. This removes the execution restriction first, and temporarily grants everyone full access to the relevant two files, so that you are able to change the owner of the files back to Windows Trusted Installer. After the ownership change, the temporary full access is removed. This is tested on Windows Server 2016 TP4 and does bring back the awful dialog, if I change the system date to 1 month later.
The only way I found around this crap is to switch the mustNotificationx.exe for something less annoying, let's say Command exe or some such. Sure, a window still opens, but it's not blocking the entire machine. To do this, make sure you change the owner of the file appropriately, away from Trusted Installer, and set file access accordingly. Then replace the file. This feature is a slap in the face for anyone using Windows 10.
When the window opens, clicking anything will open the update panel and it will set a restart time for the updates to apply. This is fully undesirable. There is a simpler trick to close the window without touching it. Hit Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape, the Task Manager appears in the background. Hit Ctrl plus Tab to navigate to the Details tab. Hit Tab to focus the processes list. Hit AM, U, S, N or the keyboard arrows to reach the mustNotificationx.exe item. Killing mustNotification.exe does not do anything. Hit Del to end the task. Hit Enter to confirm. The window gets killed.
If you want to get out of this lock screen, you should left-click on any part of notification that's not the button and press Escape makes the notification disappear for me.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.